especially in my work as an activist, always arguing for development assistance, to remind ourselves that the possibilities of this magical continent in terms of doing business. That's what the Africans always say to us. Is they want trade above aid, and I think if Africa had a even 1% increase of its trade, it would dwarf all development assistance. So I think in the 70s, Africa's percentage of world trade was what, 6%, something like that.
6% in the 80s.
And
in
what is it now?
2002, 2%. So if it gained 1% of trade a year, that would be worth $70 billion, which is 3 times what they receive at the moment in aid.
She's good at the math.
And we want to get back on that rung, and we want to, we want people to see Africa as a trade destination. And that's why we thought, well, we should do something on the ground in a micro way and see how it works, and try to in some small way actually put the flag up and say, hey, don't forget this continent.